Hello kids, knowledge time. Let's see about the top 10 most endangered species of our planet. For some species, time on the planet Earth is running out. Human beings are the greatest threat to the survival of the endangered species, with poaching, habitat destruction, and the effects of the climate change causing a lot of problems. Let's learn and read about some of the most beautiful creatures which need our help, protection, and conservation. 10th one, Gorillas. Gorillas are fascinating creatures that share 98.3% of the DNA with humans. They are capable of feeling emotions like we do and even behave like us sometimes. Do you know that they can laugh? Yeah, they can. There are two species, there's the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla, and they both have two subspecies. Three out of the four critically endangered on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature Red List of the Threatened Species. The only one that isn't was the mountain gorilla, a subspecies of the eastern gorilla which is considered endangered. At the time of writing, June 2020, there are only about 150 to 180 adult cross-river gorillas left in the world. Like many endangered animals, their decline is mostly due to the poaching, habitat loss, disease, and human conflict. Gorillas are also slow to recover as they have a low reproductive rate, meaning females only give birth every 4 to 6 years. One female will breed 3 or 4 times in her lifetime. Ninth one, rhinos. The name rhinoceros came from the two Greek words rhino and ceros, which when translated into English means nose horn. It is a very fitting name, don't you think so? Unfortunately, though poaching for their distinctive horns is the biggest threat, they are used in the traditional Chinese medicine and displayed as a status symbol and the demonstration of wealth. They are so highly priced that a Javan rhino horn can sell up to $30,000 per kg on the black market. Because of this, 3 or 5 species of rhinoceroses are the most endangered species in the world. The black rhino, the Javan rhino, and the Sumerian rhino. The Javan rhino is the closest to the extinction, which only between 46 to 66 individuals left, all of which are in the Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia. 8th one, sea turtles. Next on our endangered species list are sea turtles. Two species of the sea turtles are critically endangered on the IUCN Red List of the Threatened Species: hawksbill turtle and the Kemp's riddle turtle. Leatherback sea turtles are classified as vulnerable, though the population is decreasing and the several subpopulations are facing extinction. Hunting is one of the greatest threats to the sea turtles, with poachers targeting their eggs, shell, meat, and skin. They are also at the high risk from the habitat loss by catch and pollution as well as the climate change. Sand temperature determines the sex of the hatchlings, with eggs developing as females in the warmer temperatures. That means even the smaller temperature change could skew the sex ratio of the population. Furthermore, breeding beaches can disappear underwater with the sea level rise. 7th one, swallows. The Salus is one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. It was first discovered in the year 1992 in the Annamite Range in Vietnam, and even so exciting, it was hailed as one of the most spectacular zoological discoveries of the 20th century. The swallow is in Elzeo and so rarely seen, and it's known as the Asian unicorn. Population numbers are hard to determine with an accuracy, but it is considered critically endangered and is one of the rarest large terrestrial mammals on the earth. 6. North Atlantic right whale. It was the whalers that gave the North Atlantic right whale its name. They are so gentle giants that they stay close to the coast and spend a lot of time at the surface skim feeding on the zooplanktons, all of which make them an easy target and the right whale to hunt. They are almost whipped out by the hunters after the meat and the oil-rich fats known as the blubber, and are now one of the most endangered large whales. There are currently only 400 of them left and about 100 breeding females. They are now protected and hunted is illegal, but population recovery is slow. Females don't breed for the first 10 years of their life and then will give birth to the single calf every 6 to 10 years. They are still very much a risk of extinction with the boat strikes and entanglement in fishing gear some of the biggest threats. Vessel traffic also creates noises that interferes with their ability to communicate. Whales use sounds to find mates, locate food and avoid predators as well as to navigate and talk to each other. It is really an essential sense. Finally, climate change and the changing sea temperatures may affect the food availability, which will have a knock-on the effect of the survival and their reproductive rates. Fifth, tooth-billed pigeon. Following the example of the relative to the extant dodo, tooth-billed pigeons are disappearing at an alarming rate. They only live on Samoa and there are currently 70 to 380 left in the wild with no captive populations to aid conservation efforts. Very little is actually known about the tooth-billed pigeons. They are elusive and very rarely seen. In the past, hunting has played a biggest part of the decline and has killed thousands of individuals. It is illegal today, but tooth-billed pigeons are still killed accidentally during hunts for the other species. Currently, one of the major threats is the habitat loss. Large areas of the homes have been cleared to make space for the agriculture and destroyed by the cyclones or taken over by the invasive trees. They are also at a higher risk of predation from the invasive species, including the feral cats. Fourth one, gharial. Gharials are the fresh-eating crocodiles from India. They have long, thin snouts with a large bump on the end which resembles a pot known as ghara, which is where they get the name. They spend most of the time in the freshwater rivers, only leaving the water to bask in the sun and lay eggs. Unfortunately, gharial's number has been declined since 1930s and sadly this large crocodilian is now close to extinction. There are only about 100 to 300 left in the wild. The decline is due to several issues, though of the human made. Habitat loss, pollution and entanglement in fishing nets pose some of the biggest threats, along with the pouches that target them for use in the traditional medicine. Third one, kakapo. Kakapos are the nocturnal ground-dwelling parrots from New Zealand and yet another example of an animal brought to the edge of extinction by the humans. They are critically endangered with only around 140 individuals remaining, and each one with the individual name. They were once known as a common throughout New Zealand and Polynesia but now inhabit just two small islands of the coast of the southern New Zealand. One of the major threats of the kalpos is the predation from the introduced species such as cats and sows that hunts using scent. A kakapo's natural reaction is to freeze and blend with the background when threatened. It is effectively against predators that rely on the scent to hunt but not smell. Females also leave the nest unattended when finding food, leaving the eggs freely available to the predators. Intensive conservation measures means the population is on the increase now, which is positive, but genetic diversity is low among the remaining kakapo, which would affect the survival in the future, especially if they are struck by a disease. Second, Amur leopard. Unfortunately, Amur leopards are one of the world's largest endangered big cats. They are also critically endangered on the IUCN Red List of the threatened species, and between 2014 and 2015, there are only about 92 Amur leopards left within the natural range. That number is now estimated to be less than 70. Like all the species on our endangered list, humans are the biggest threat. The beautiful coats and the popular with the pouches as the bones, which they sell for the use in the traditional Asian medicine. They're also at the risk from the habitat loss due to the primary of the natural and the human-made fires. Climate change is also changing Amur leopard habitat and leading to the decrease in the prey availability. First one, vacuita. The vacuita is both smallest and the most endangered marine animal in the world. It has been classified as critically endangered by the IUCN since 1996, and in 2018 there were only about 6 to 22 vacuitas left. The latest estimate from the July 2019 suggests there are currently only 9. The biggest threat is from the illegal fishing of the Tobaba fish, a large fish in demand because of its swim bladder. Vaquitas accidentally end up entangled in the gillnets set for the Tobaba and drowned because they can no longer swim to the surface to breathe. Conservation efforts lead to the introduction of the ban on the gillnets in vaquita habitat back in July 2016. But the illegal fishing continues and the threat remains. Efforts now focus on enforcing the ban on the gillnets and prosecuting those that use them. Conservationists are also working to decrease demand for Tobaba, which is a protected species now.